Hi guys, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I'm Saket and today we are going to look at the trade summary. So I haven't been able to make the video for the past 2 days, that is on Friday as well as Monday. So we are also going to take a look at what exactly happened on those days as well. So on Friday, the market was more or less range bound, but there was a lot of volatility in the market. So we had done a short straddle as usual at 10, 1 and 2, and then the market was trading range bound, and we did so after a point we did enter very good profits, and then we had gone to almost 1.5 lakh, and then later we had to book the day with around 20,000 profits only. So that was for Friday, where we booked around 20,000, and Monday again we did the same system trade, but we did some discretionary trades as well. So Monday we ended with a profit of 99,000. So unfortunately I was not able to record the video for Monday, so I will try to post the snippet of the contract note, but the contract note also includes the trade of futures, so you exactly won't be getting to know how much we got from options. But we were able to make around 99,000 on Monday as well. So today was a very volatile day, and so the market ended exactly where it started at around 10 o'clock. So our first trade we entered at 10 o'clock, and the market ended at the same rate almost, but unfortunately we had to end the day with loss because of market volatility. Actually even the 1 o'clock trade which we took also, it was the same short straddle of 800 itself. So we started with 35,800. So then the market shot up, triggered the stop loss on the C side, again crashed down, and then ended where it was in the beginning itself. So then we also took 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock trade, and yeah, so that was for today's trade. And the thing is, from past few days we are using some discretionary trades because we are coming towards the end of financial year, and the performance of this quarter has been somewhere close to 50 lakh of net profit, including futures and options. So we are cutting down on positions because we don't want to end the financial year after doing so well. We don't want to end the financial year with less profits or losses. So that's the reason we are going low on position sizing, and we are also making sure that we do a lot of discretionary trades to make sure that the system trades don't go very bad. So that is for the trade part. So you could have seen in the video as well, there are many adjustments being done continuously. So we are making sure that any premium doesn't go out of range, so we keep adjusting the positions, and there are a lot of adjustments done while trading. So coming to today's trade summary alone, as I mentioned earlier, we had taken a 35,800 short straddle. First it triggered on the C side, later fell, and it pushed our loss all the way to 2 lakh initially itself, and the late around 1.5 lakh initially itself, and the loss later just widened. So around 130 we had a loss of close to 2,70,000, 2,60,000 to 2,70,000, which was huge. So later it was time for discretionary trading, where we had to step in, and I started shorting lot of options. It is, when you do discretionary trading, it's more of how exactly you perceive the market to be. So you see the premiums, and you more or less try to make it delta neutral. So that is what you try to do when you're doing discretionary trading with short straddle specifically. So that's what we started to do, and we could luckily bring down the loss from all the way from 2.5 lakh to 1.5 lakh. So we ended with 1.5 lakh today. So the positions were exited, but there was some glitch in Nest and it didn't show the exited position. So I will also be attaching a screenshot from the current mobile app, because there was some glitch in Nest and it didn't show the exited positions. So we ended with 1.5 lakh loss today, and we had made profit of 99,000 as well as 20,000 on the other day. So overall put together, we ended with a in the last 3 days, that is Friday, Monday and Tuesday, we have a net loss of somewhere close to 30,000. But so today was a really disappointing day because we had lot of choices as well as chances to get this trade right. But since, as I told you, we were bringing in lot of discretionary trading along with system trading to make sure that we end the financial year with pretty modest gains. So we could have done a lot of adjustments and we could have made sure that today also we could have ended with positive. But so it was a really disappointing day because we had a chance to do it, but we didn't execute it well. So it happens, but so I am pretty hopeful that tomorrow we will be able to recover whatever we have lost today and go to net weekly gain. So that is for today's trade, and again tomorrow is expiry, and tomorrow so we only have two expiries after tomorrow left for the entire financial year. So tomorrow we'll be trading little aggressively, and and we will also make sure that the risk management is is the top priority right now, just to make sure that the gains remain as they are. So the future positions went really well in our favor. So from past few days, today alone future gave us a gain of 6 lakh, and yesterday also it had given a gain of almost 3.5 lakh. So that is with respect to futures. So now and equities are also gaining pretty well. So our main focus now is to make sure that the option trades are basically handled well or managed well. So that is for today's trade, and from past 3 days we are at a net loss of 30,000, but today alone we are at a net loss of 1,50,000. So, and please do make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with as many people as possible. There's also links to Telegram as well as Instagram and Twitter in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the same as well. So thank you for joining, guys, and we'll be catching up tomorrow. Thank you.